You asked, I delivered. This season covers the foundation every relationship manager needs to build trust, serve HNI clients better, and grow in wealth management. Hello, I'm Abhijit Bhave, and if you want to be a dhurandhar of wealth management knowledge, HNIT Talks is the channel you need to subscribe to. These are tea talks, chai pe charcha, for RMs across banks, stockbroking firms, wealth management firms, wealth tech companies, and even asset management platforms and insurance firms. If you sit across HNI rich clients and you help them with their finances, ये talk आपके लिए है. RMs in Mumbai, Delhi, they have access to seniors, they have access to training programs and mentors and other resources. But what about a RM who is based in Guwahati or Aurangabad or Kozhikode? Every RM like you who wants to be better at what they do. So, from today, I will be your coach, your mentor, your big brother, and together you and me will work to make you a better, more effective, more productive, and most importantly, truly client-centric RM. So welcome to Tea Talks, Chai Pe Charcha with Wealth Management RM. Similar to what my favorite RJ Karthik says, कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि आपका क्लाइंट कहे RM हो तुम मेरे RM जैसा. You are not just a RM, you are not a salesperson. You are a Sampatti creator, a wealth creator. You are a Samriddhi advisor, a prosperity advisor, and you are a Suraksha gatekeeper, a protector of your client's financial future. Own the responsibility. See you in the next Tea Talk.
Whether you are a RM in a bank, a wealth management firm, an asset management company, or an insurance company, or you are a student aspiring to build a career in this space, this channel is built for you. It's a practical MBA for HNI RMs in just 2 minutes a week over chai. In the next Tea Talk, I will share with you what a HNI client told me directly when I asked him, "Sir, what do you want from your RM?" His answer stopped me in my tracks. उसके लिए देखिए नेक्स्ट एपिसोड. कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि क्लाइंट कहे RM हो तो मेरे RM जैसा.
One client conversation that happened that changed the way I think about this business forever. I'm going to share that with you. I asked my dear friend who is a HNI client from Mumbai directly, ये बताओ, what do you really want from your RM? And his answer, stopped me in my tracks. He said, I need 2 things from the RM. First, I want the RM who knows more than me. And second, very funny but not so funny, I want a RM who has no revenue targets. Bas, just 2 things. So, if you are a RM in the private sector bank and next time your manager pushes you saying, boss, jaake na insurance bech ke aao, ask yourself, is that what my client in Jaipur or Indore actually need right now? If you are RM in a regional wealth management firm in Bhubaneswar, in Guwahati, in Vizag, your client chose you over a big city firm because he trusts you. Don't break that trust for your revenue targets. I can tell you this from my 30 years experience. Your client can smell desperation and your client can also smell trust. Make sure he smells the right one. Again, one more thing. Clients don't buy products. They buy people they trust and they buy from people they trust. So always put client first. याद रखो, client खुश तो सब खुश. I am your coach, your mentor, your bade bhaiya. And today, together, let's make you the best RM you can be.
So we just saw that a HNI client basically looks at 2 things. He wants a RM who knows more than him, and he wants a RM who does not have revenue targets. On the first point, I think it's important for us to be a lifelong learner, invest time in learning about fundamentals, impact of current events, and be ready to give actionable advice. On the second point, always put clients first and have solution conversations, not product conversations. And we'll talk about the first point in our next tea talk. We'll talk about how to build knowledge the simple, practical way. And I will tell you about my own weekly learning routine. Watch the next episode for that. And remember, कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि client कहे RM हो तो मेरे RM जैसा.
In my last tea talk, हमने कहा था ना कि HNI कस्टमर ने मुझे क्या बोला? He said, boss, I need a RM who knows more than me. That's a high bar. ज्ञान को तो बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. Because your client, whether he is a successful business owner in Surat or a senior surgeon in Kottayam. Today he has got global knowledge. He reads, he thinks, and he asks sharp questions. So, ज्ञान बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. How do you stay ahead? मैं आपको बताऊं. Here's my simple weekly routine that I recommend to you. Monday morning, boss. Monday morning, attend your research call. Attend fully. WhatsApp मत देखिए. Pick 3 points. Use them in the client meetings that week. Your client will notice. You will stand out. Read ET Wealth every Monday. Read Business Line every Sunday. Difficult होगा, करना पड़ेगा. These two alone will transform your client conversations. See, if you are RM in a private sector bank, you can also get your seniors, the investment advisor, to join you in the next HNI client meeting. Observe them. See how they handle a conversation on a large SIP or STP. Learn from every interaction and get better and better. Suppose you are an RM in a stockbroking firm. Your HNI client is seeing markets every day. आप एक चीज करिए. You watch CNBC TV 18 for only 20 minutes. मैं देखता हूँ बॉस. Every day 9:15 से 9:35 तक. You will be one step ahead because you'll have a market guru coming in, giving you another 3 bullet points. And then और एक करिए. You can listen to audiobooks, podcasts, fund manager calls. Commute time जो होता है ना गाड़ी में, that is the best learning time. और आपको बोलता हूँ ना, knowledge has no shortcut, but neither does clients' trust. And you know what? Your client doesn't need a RM who knows everything. सर्वज्ञानी नहीं चाहिए. He needs an RM who never stops learning. रोज सीखो, रोज बढ़ो. और जैसे मैंने आपको कहा ना, my favorite RJ कार्तिक कहता, मैं कुछ और कहता हूँ, थोड़ा सा कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि आपके क्लाइंट बोले RM हो मेरे RM जैसा. And remember the 3S. You are a Sampatti creator, a Samriddhi advisor, and a Suraksha gatekeeper. Own the responsibility. Your client needs a RM who knows more than him. Not someone who knows everything, but someone who never stops learning. 5 habits starting today. Monday research call, read ET Wealth Business Line, watch CNBC TV 18 at 9:15, have joint meetings with investment advisors and seniors, and your commute is your classroom. रोज सीखो, रोज पढ़ो, रोज बढ़ो. Knowledge has no shortcut, but neither does clients' trust. In our next tea talk, we'll talk about products, concepts over commissions, customized solutions, real advice. उसके लिए देखिए एपिसोड 4. कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि क्लाइंट कहे आरएम हो तो मेरे आरएम जैसा. Let's be honest with you today. Because your HNI client is already thinking this. He thinks, is my RM recommending this product because it's good for me? Because it pays him the highest commission. Welcome to Tea Talks with WM RMs. My champion RM. कैसे हो? Let me be direct. There are 5 products that generate the highest upfront revenue for you and me. Insurance, international products, unlisted shares, structured products, and CAT to AIF. याद है ना? Your boss is telling you to sell these. Your savvy HNI clients वो भी जानते हैं boss. So if you are RM from a private sector bank, your HNI client in Delhi NCR or in Gurgaon is sophisticated. The moment he feels you are pushing a high revenue product, lost him forever. If you are RM in a wealth tech firm and your client in Visakhapatnam chose your platform because he thought it is unbiased, don't prove him wrong. So here's my advice. Walk into every client meeting with concepts, not products. Ask that client about his specific or her specific client needs first. And then you tell them, let's have a completely customized, bespoke discussion on product selection, on investment process, portfolio review, and most importantly on risk management. All customized only for you. Be transparent. If I were you, I would actually share with the client that I am making so much revenue. Equity funds, 90 basis points. Understand, remember, 90% of HNI clients don't mind you making money, but they just want to know that their returns come first. याद रखिए, commissions are temporary, reputation is permanent. Client पहले कमाएगा, हम बाद में कमाएंगे. Client कमाए, हम भी कमाए, but order में. Because what? Your happy client is your best revenue target.
So before you recommend anything, ask yourself one question. Is this good for my client or just good for my revenues? Walk into every client meeting with concepts, not products, and client needs first. Keep the entire conversation bespoke, customized. Products, process, portfolio reviews, and the risk management all tailored for the client. Be transparent, build trust, reputation over commission. Because at the end of the day, client first, revenue follows. Next week, we discuss the 7KY framework. 7 things every good RM should know before walking into a HNI client meeting. उसके लिए देखिए next episode. कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि client कहे RM हो तो मेरे RM जैसा.
An RM who stops learning has already started losing. And today we will talk about building knowledge beyond the technical stuff. Every HNI client is different. A brass exporter, I have met them in Muradabad. An antique sailor from Jodhpur. They have completely different needs and fears and ambitions. मैं सब जगह घुमा हूँ, आप भी घूमे होंगे. A business owner in Hyderabad and a corporate executive in Jamshedpur. They think very differently about wealth. Every interaction with clients needs separate preparations, but the foundations remain the same for all. And what I call them is 7 KYs. Let's talk about them today. KYC, know your client, but not just their portfolio, their dreams, their fears, their family, their ambitions. Then comes KYE, know your economy, understand what's happening in India, what's happening with Trump globally. KYI, know your industry. Who are the key players? What are the latest trends, the disruptions? Then comes KYO, know your organization, your firm's strengths, the firm's products, processes, inside out. फिर आता है KYP, know your products. Not just what you sell, but why it fits for the client and why it doesn't, when it doesn't. KYCO, know your competition. Who are they? What are they offering? How are they better than you? And finally, KYS. मतलब, know yourself. आपकी strengths, आपके blind spots, आपका communication style, areas of improvement. Now, if you are a RM in a wealth management firm, large or small, KYO is critical. On the other hand, if you are a RM in a stockbroking firm or asset management firm, KYP and KYCO are the biggest weapons. और देखो ये 7 KYs है. 7 KYs, एक champion RM, you. Master these 7 KYs and genuinely I'm telling you, sincerely आप different हो जाओगे, आप stand out होगे. हम बात करेंगे क्लाइंट मीटिंग्स के बारे में, कैसे प्रिपेयर करेंगे. बट टाइगर, टेल मी ऑनेस्टली, डू यू प्रिपेयर फॉर अ जॉब इंटरव्यू? ऑफ कोर्स यू डू, thoroughly, obsessively. So then why should you not prepare for a client meeting like a job interview? देखो, your HNI client, whether he is an industrialist in Ludhiana or a senior corporate executive in Jamshedpur, he can immediately tell you कि RM अपना होमवर्क करके आया है कि नहीं आया है, सो करना है बॉस, होमवर्क प्रिपेयर करना है. I will tell you my 6 must do's before every client meeting. Note करिए. First, have an agenda, know your goal. Write 5 bullet points on your phone. In the notes app can be used on what will you discuss. आपका agenda आपके pocket में. 2, research your client deeply. Then build a few talking points. सिर्फ 2 या 3 talking points जो unique हो. Personal, relevant, specific. Third, review your last interaction with the client. क्या बात हुआ था? What did you discuss? And what did you promise? Have you done that? And what has changed in the portfolio? Fourth, this is very specific. Carry your organization's model portfolio or investment proposal. It shows knowledge leadership. It's a powerful starting point for any serious wealth conversation. Sixth, prepare and carry a comprehensive sales kit. It will be having research reports, past performance of asset classes, product brochures. Walk in with your entire kit, well armed. 6, ये बहुत करता हूँ मैं, I do it every day. Use AI tools, Claude, ChatGPT to help you prepare seriously. हर RM को अभी EA secretary मिलने वाला है because of AI. So, suppose आप RM हो प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक में, HNI क्लाइंट आपका है पुणे में, he will have 3 meetings after you. He is a busy guy or lady. Respect their time, come fully prepared. Now suppose you are a RM in a regional wealth management firm. Your client in Chandigarh or your client in Mangalore, he chose you over a big city firm. So every meeting, it's your chance to prove that the client made the right decision. Please remember, clients appreciate and respect well-prepared RMs. Champion RMs, prepare. Average RMs, just show up. And एक सुनिए आपको पते की बात, there are 3 kinds of wealth RMs in India. Those who make things happen, those who watch things happen, and those who wonder what happened. Be the first one. Be the one who make things happen. कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि आपका क्लाइंट कहे RM हो तो मेरे RM जैसा.